Hello, I'm Jason from the Deeper Network, and in this video I will show you everything there is to know about the Settings tab.
Once you log into your device, on the left, click on Settings, and let's start with the Wi-Fi page. If you are in virtual wire mode, you will not have the ability to see Wi-Fi options. But if you have an antenna plugged in, or you're using the DeeperConnect Air, you will have the ability to see and adjust Wi-Fi settings. You can change the Wi-Fi SSID, which is the Wi-Fi name, the Wi-Fi password, you can hide your SSID, you can change the frequency, and with something like the DeeperConnect Air or Pico, you can wirelessly relay already existing Wi-Fi networks. Next, let's move on to sharing and then sharing config. This is where you can enable sharing to participate in the Deeper network. We recommend to share unlimited bandwidth and unlimited traffic to help better the Deeper network. Also, make sure you understand the laws of your local area so that you can enable or disable BitTorrent sharing. In the sharing blacklist, you can click on Apply Web Filter Rules, which will apply your blacklist to your sharing, or you can upload a new blacklist file. Next is the sharing log. In this page, you will have every instance that your node was accessed. If you need to download any of the logs, input a start date and time, and you can be as accurate up to the second, and an end date and time. Once those are selected, go down to the bottom and click on Download Logs, or, in case of technical support, download encrypted logs and send in your support.deeper.network ticket. The next page is sharing traffic. Here you can see up to 15 days in the past and how much data you've shared each day. Next is the Password tab. By default, your password is admin, and it is recommended to go to this page and change your password from admin to anything that you like. Please remember your password. Lastly is the reboot page. You can schedule a reboot for every day of the week, or, by my recommendations, you can schedule it for one time a week and a time that you know nobody will be on your network. For me, it's about 3 o'clock in the morning on a Monday.
We hope you found these videos helpful and informative. Continue watching the playlists to learn everything there is to know about your Deeper Connect and the Deeper Network.
Deeper Network. Of the users, by the users, for the users.